Yeah, how you doing? I'll take two McRib sandwiches, um, lettuce and tomatoes on them.
Is it a meal?
No, just two McRib sandwiches. And that's it.
Okay.
Lettuce and tomatoes on them, please.
You said add lettuce and tomato?
Yes, okay. Two McRib sandwiches, add lettuce and tomatoes on them, and that's it.
Is it for both of them?
For both of them.
Okay. Anything else?
No,
The total is 13.31 at the first number.
13. They had charged me. They charged me for the tomatoes. I mean, come on, man. It's like 13.31 for two. They added. They charged me the lettuce. Are you kidding me? Wow. Okie dokie. That's it's not that tough. What I just said. I'm not trying to be a jerk here, but it's amazing how people don't understand. Well, what's the save the fives? It's like Jesus. They just don't understand. Get 10 out of here. The old. There we go. All right. All right. Good.
13.31?
There you go. Put the rest down below. Thanks. Appreciate it. Thank you. Two McRib sandwiches, lettuce and tomatoes, and then they charge you for it. It's like, really? What the hell? But anyways, you guys, I did have one on Friday, and it was pretty good. So a couple years ago, I had it was okay. I should not be able to have done them. So, but it's returned. It's a good sandwich. I like ribs. But matter of fact, I think we're having pot roast tonight. So we're on the pocket 2. Then all the other 3 out. And now they already have the 5 out for the DJI, but I like my 4 and I like my GoPro. But I haven't put this on a long time. I do got to get out my drone one of these days. But they charge me for tomatoes. Okay. But 2 sandwiches. And that's it. And add it. Well, yeah, I want them both. Sorry, but every time I go through a drive-through, it's always the same BS. They don't listen. You know, they try to upsell you. It's all I want. So I got my gift from I used to get them at Costco, but it's hard to find them. So a friend of mine's an Amway distributor. So go in here. I look forward to these when they come out. Let's go a little faster. It's called fast food for a reason. What? Thank you. Appreciate it. It is perfect. Alright, I'm going to go over here on the other side. We're going to go on the wrong road. Right over here. We're going to cruise right into here. Wrong way. What the hell? We're right here. Perfect. There we go. There we go. All right, let's eat this sucker, shall we? There's ready. Oh. Yep. Let's see. There it is. Let's check it out, you guys. Lettuce and tomatoes. Oh yeah. Good. Sauce is really good. Good stuff. Oh, I see I'm crushing for Christ. In the for Sarasota Tim, right? I like I'm talking fast or anything. Well, I'm asking. if you order right. But it's good. It adds to it. From as an Amway distributor, so I get those from him. Kind of like dime drops. I haven't watched that guy in a long time. That guy's a pig. I was gonna ask for mayonnaise, but that's more confusing than it'd be too much. Maybe you add, you freak out. That's why you always, for Whoppers, heavy all, have to mic it. Good work. Is like my girl, Hungry Fat Chick. She had some medical problems, I think. I saw her. That one, I'd love to be her feeder someday. The lettuce makes a difference. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Gotta like it. Should be when you eat. But I do it just to have some fun. You got the carpetbagger who just shoves it in his mouth. He's supposed to be a better neutral than I am. Another obsession on YouTube is Buc-ee's. I've been in one. Not a big deal. Yep. Always crushing for Christ, right? Delicious. Yummy. Did a good job. McDonald's. Mickey D's. Very good. Oh, goodness. Gotta make sure what I'm telling you. I don't understand why. 2 sandwiches, yeah, I want them both with lettuce and tomatoes. Stuff's good. Sugar free. It was Costco with us giving samples, but I can't find it all the time. So a friend of mine said he's a Amway distributor. So go walk down by the lake with the dogs, have a cigar when I get home. Nice day today. Went to the ice show yesterday. That was fun. That should have been downtown Minneapolis. There's a lot of things there. Two things to spend money in this town: fishing and hunting. Anyways, guys, I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was good. Lettuce, tomatoes, McRib. Well done, Mickey. It's up to as well. It's cowport approved. This stuff is body armor. It's good. Yeah, but this thing is got the case. But anyways, wheels up, as they say in the air business. It's a compliment to the chef. Great sauce. Way to do it, man. Burger King, you need something like that. The King Brib or something called. Don't be afraid to copy them. Whopper is the best. Wendy's is best too as well. Anyways, guys, from the outskirts, hope you enjoyed it. All right, man. See you guys all later. Ciao after a while.